What if everything you have been told about high blood pressure is wrong?
We're lacking insulin, we're lacking magnesium, we're lacking vitamin D. The body says, oh no, we'll just force it in. What's that? Blood pressure. So can you see high blood pressure has many causes? Many causes.
Dr. Barbara O'Neill is here to reveal the surprising truth about what really drives high blood pressure and how you can take control of your health naturally.
When someone's not eating enough fruits and vegetables, and that's where you get most of your potassium, and they're putting table salt on everything far too much, what happens now is sodium levels rise and potassium levels drop. So now sodium levels inside the cell are rising, which they should not, and the cell swells. What's that called? High blood pressure.
But salt isn't the only factor affecting your blood pressure. There are hidden causes that often go unnoticed, yet they play a major role in your overall heart health. So, what are these hidden factors? Number 1, dehydration.
High blood pressure can be caused by dehydration. In dehydration, little capillary networks shut down to try and conserve full blood volume. That builds up pressure.
When the body senses dehydration, it releases a hormone called vasopressin, which causes blood vessels to constrict. This is the body's way of holding on to water, but it also raises blood pressure in the process. At the same time, your cells lose water, shrink, and struggle to function properly, almost like a plant that hasn't been watered. Fortunately, the solution is simple. Drinking enough water helps keep blood flowing smoothly, supports heart function, and prevents unnecessary strain on your body. So, aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you are sweating from exercise or hot weather. A well-hydrated body means better circulation, stable blood pressure, and overall better health. Number 2, mineral imbalance.
High blood pressure can be caused by no greens, no magnesium.
Your body needs the right balance of minerals to keep your heart healthy and your blood pressure stable. When you don't get enough essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, your cardiovascular system struggles and blood pressure can rise. So, if your diet lacks these essential nutrients, the solution is easy.
Where do they get their minerals for their bones from? Dark green leafy vegetables. We should eat dark green leafy vegetables every day. And you do not lose your minerals when you cook your vegetables. You will only lose your minerals if you cook your vegetables in water and throw the water away. There's all your minerals.
These foods naturally support heart health and help keep your blood pressure in check. By making a few small changes to your diet, you can give your heart the support it needs and take control of your blood pressure naturally. Number 3, lack of vitamin D.
The cause of high blood pressure can be a vitamin D deficiency. How so? Well, calcium is a very important mineral. And calcium cannot get into the cell by itself. Calcium needs vitamin D. And when vitamin D is present, calcium is pulled into the cell. And when calcium's pulled into the cell, all the other minerals piggyback on the back of calcium. And this is why calcium is called the king.
Vitamin D does much more than just support bone health. It plays a crucial role in heart function and blood pressure regulation. One of its key jobs is helping the body absorb essential minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are vital for maintaining healthy blood vessels. Without enough vitamin D, your cells struggle to get the nutrients they need, which can lead to stiff blood vessels and rising blood pressure. However, spending at least 15 to 30 minutes in the sun daily can help your body naturally produce vitamin D. But if you live in a place with limited sunlight or can't get outdoors enough, consider adding a high-quality vitamin D supplement to your routine. Fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified foods can also provide small amounts of vitamin D. Number 4, low-fat diets and insulin resistance.
So when someone's on a fat-free diet, have you noticed they eat all day long? They're hungry all day long. So they're eating too many carbohydrates, because isn't that your quick food? There's your quick food, all the carbohydrates.
This constant intake of processed carbs spikes blood sugar, forcing the pancreas to release more and more insulin to keep glucose levels in check. Over time, the body becomes resistant to insulin's effects, making it harder for glucose to enter cells. This leads to higher blood sugar, increased fat storage, and rising blood pressure. When the body can't properly use insulin, it triggers inflammation and stiffens blood vessels, creating the perfect storm for hypertension. So, instead of avoiding fat altogether, focus on healthy fats like avocados, nuts, olive oil, and wild-caught fish. These help keep you full, balance blood sugar, and reduce cravings for processed foods. Number 5. The truth about salt.
High blood pressure can be caused by no salt. High blood pressure can be caused by table salt.
Salt is essential for our bodies, but the type of salt we consume matters. Most table salt is heavily processed, stripped of its natural minerals, and contains additives that can be harmful. It often leads to water retention, bloating, and high blood pressure. The good news is that a simple switch can make a big difference. To support better health, opt for a more natural option like Celtic sea salt or Himalayan salt. These unrefined salts are rich in essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, which help maintain fluid balance and overall well-being. And with that, we wrap up today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more natural health tips from Dr. Barbara O'Neill.